Hi guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick insight on these mouse pad that I got. I just went on to Amazon just last night, decided to get me a new one because my old one seems to be doing their own thing. And this is just like a quick, just to let you guys see what the size is like, how it fits. And I was pretty much worried about the size because they had like smaller ones there, but I didn't really have the time to check out different sizes and what. But what caught my eye was this one with the word in it: God, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Pretty much me all day, every day, working hard and trying to make things happen. It says that the back is a non-skid. I haven't taken off the plastic, and so just to let you guys know what it looks like up close. And this is pretty soft. It feels like a jelly. It makes you want to just nibble on it. It feels really nice. But as I was saying, it's just to let you guys know, out with the old and in with the new. And I don't know if I'm going to take the plastic off. I just might. I don't know if it's going to stick itself to the desk. If that's the case, let me see. Is it really sticky under there or not? I didn't even take it off to see if it's sticky, if it's going to attach itself to the desk. Let's see. Because if that's the case, I'm not going to have it stick to the desk, because at some point I want to get rid of this desk and get me a bigger one. Okay, no, it doesn't. It's not sticky. So it's just like a silicone, so it doesn't really move much. All right, cool. It just has that sticky look, but it's not actually sticky to the touch. So yeah, no worries. All right, so that's it, guys. If you guys are interested, come in and know Mercer colors. I will put the link below if you're interested. Good support for the risk. If you're working at home with all the work from home stuff happening now, it's perfect for that. Perfect support for the risk. And yeah, there we go. Nothing much to really talk about on this. And this is the bag. It pretty much comes in on the envelope. All right, thank you so much. Have a blessed day.